Hello, I am Srinivasrao Narni, founder of Akshar School Solutions Private Limited. Thank you for showing interest to know about our tech platform. I would like to walk you through the prototype of our centralized platform which seamlessly connects schools, students, and merchants. We will also show you how this platform can drive tailored product recommendations to parents and schools by leveraging the data in school ERP. This platform primarily has three modules: Shop, which is our marketplace; Spectrum, our school ERP; Courses, online courses module, which is designed to enhance the learning experience of students and teachers. The most important section here is For You. This is the section where all the personalized recommendations are shown to schools, parents, and merchants. Let me walk you through few examples. This is the recommendation shown to the school principal. It says that Nikhil Pal, the teacher, requires training on geometry. We show such recommendations if majority students of a particular class don't understand geometry. We also tag a training course from our online course module based on the school standards and paying capacity. This recommendation is shown to the school administrator when examinations are approaching. Our tech platform reads the examination schedules in the school ERP and curates a custom stationery kit required for the school. The admin doesn't need to run across different shops or vendors to get all the needs. This particular recommendation is shown to make the school management aware of the recent trends coming in the market. We also offer them ways like workshops, demos, etc. to explore them in detail. This recommendation is shown to the parents whose children are excelling in a particular subject. Majority of the parents are unaware of how to create greater exposure to these children in the areas where they excel. Our recommendations will help them to identify the opportunities available for the child. For example, the children who are excelling in mathematics will get information about Olympiad exams and option to take subscriptions right there. Many parents think a lot to specially celebrate their children's birthday within the budget. Our platform will determine the child's birthday from the school ERP and curates an exclusive product list based on recent shopping trends, simplifying the shopping experience for parents. Many other recommendations can be shown to parents based on the children activities at school. These are the recommendations shown to the merchants. Merchants will be notified about the upcoming product requirements based on the student interests and activities conducted by the schools. These recommendations will help merchants to stock up the items and launch exclusive offers to grab more business. And this is the report card shown to the parents in school ERP module. With the deep integration of online courses and school ERP, our platform can analyze the children's scorecard and suggest best courses to enhance their knowledge on any topic. Our platform can analyze the timetable and daily schedules of the students and push recommendations about the items which need to be carried to the class. For example, any student with chemistry lab examination in the timetable will be offered with a curated list of chemistry lab kit items. And this is the high-level overview of online courses module. This is our marketplace module. Our platform auto-populates the information required to place the order like address, mobile number, etc. from the school ERP, simplifying the order placing experience for our customers. Finally, this platform can completely change the way how schools or parents shop for their needs. Thank you.